Let's consider a linear equation. 2x plus 6 equals to 3x plus 4. Here, variable x is on both the sides of the equation. Solve it by balancing method. Subtract 4 from both sides. 2x plus 6 minus 4 equals to 3x plus 4 minus 4. 2x plus 2 equals to 3x. Subtract 2x from both sides. 2x plus 2 minus 2x equals to 3x minus 2x. 2 equals to x. The value of the variable x is equal to 2. If an equation contains a variable on both sides of the equality sign, it will need to be rewritten so that the variable is only on one side of the equation. Steps for solving linear equations having variable on both sides. 1. If the equation contains fractions, multiply both sides of the equation by the least common multiple of denominators, LCM. That will eliminate fractions from the equation. 2. Use the distributive property to remove parentheses. 3. Combine like terms on the same side of the equality sign. 4. Use the addition property to get the variable on one side of the equals sign and all terms that do not contain the variable on the other side. 5. Use the multiplication property to isolate the variable. 6. Check the solution by substituting the result in the original equation. Illustration 1. 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. By transposing 3x to LHS and 9 to RHS, we get 5x minus 3x equals to 5 minus 9. 2x equals to minus 4. By dividing both sides by 2, we get 2x divided by 2 equals to minus 4 divided by 2. X equals to minus 2. Illustration 2. Solve x by 2 plus x by 3 minus x by 4 equals to 7. LCM of denominators 2, 3, 4 on LHS is 12. Multiplying both sides by 12, 6x plus 4x minus 3x equals to 7 into 12. 7x equals to 7 into 12. 7x equals to 84. Dividing both sides by 7 implies 7x by 7 equals to 84 to 7. Implies x equals to 12. Verification. Substituting x equals to 12 in the given equation, we get LHS equals to 12 by 2 plus 12 by 3 minus 12 by 4 equals to 6 plus 4 minus 3 equals to 7. And RHS equals to 7. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS for x equals to 12. Hence, x equals to 12 is the solution of the given equation.